Hello guys, happy Monday. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Bybit crypto exchange. Cryptocurrency is digital money that doesn't require a bank or financial institution to verify transactions, and it can be used for purchases or as an investment. So guys, if you want to buy crypto on Bybit exchange, the first thing you will do is this: you will register on Bybit exchange. So guys, you can use my invite link in the description to register. After your registration, you will do your KYC. After your KYC, you will buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, as a beginner, I will advise you download CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So guys, this is how CoinMarketCap looks like. When you click on coins, you will see ranking of cryptocurrency. So guys, if you want to buy crypto as a beginner, you can buy from the first 20 in crypto ranking. Make sure you understand the first 20 coins before you buy any crypto. So guys, number one in crypto ranking is BTC, number two is ETH, number three is USDT, number four is XRP, number five is BNB, number six is SOL, number seven is USDC, number 8 is Dodge, number 9 is ADA, number 10 is TRX. So guys, if you want to know more about these cryptocurrencies, you click on any of them. When you click on any of them, you will get detailed information about these coins on CoinMarketCap. You go back to Bybit Exchange. On Bybit Exchange platform, you click on trade. When you click on trade, you will see spot. In the search space, you can type BTC. So guys, you can use USDT to buy Bitcoin, you can use USDC, you can use EUR and other currency to buy Bitcoin. So guys, in this video I am going to use USDT to buy Bitcoin. You click on the BTC slash USDT. So guys, Bitcoin is down minus 5.53%. The current price of Bitcoin is 78,331 US dollars. So guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin, make sure you have USDT. The green part on the spot trade is the queue. So guys, you can join the queue to buy Bitcoin. You click on it to join the queue. Make sure you have USDT. 10 USDT will buy 0.000127 Bitcoin. So guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin on Bybit exchange, this is what you will do. You follow every step in this video. If you click on market, you will see all coins listed on Bybit exchange. If you click on market, you will see all coins listed on Bybit exchange. If you click on new, you will see list of new projects on Bybit exchange. If you click on hot, you will see hot coins on Bybit exchange. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.